Designation Module Overview. Welcome to the Resourceby Designation Module. This is where you define and manage all job titles and roles in your organization. From entry-level positions to executive roles, this module creates the foundation of your organizational structure. Let's explore. Here we are on the designation page. The breadcrumb trail shows home, then designation, confirming where you are in the system. At the top, you have a search bar. Start typing a job title, like manager, engineer, or supervisor, and the system instantly finds it. This is perfect when you have dozens or hundreds of designations and need to quickly locate a specific role. Now let's look at the action buttons. The yellow Add Designation button is how you create new job titles in your system. Whether you're adding standard roles like project manager and site supervisor, or specialized positions like senior structural engineer or HR coordinator, this is where you start. We'll cover this in detail in the next video. Next to it is the Export button. This creates a spreadsheet of all your designations. This is useful for organizational planning, creating org charts, or sharing your role structure with management or HR consultants. On the right side, you have two view options. The list icon shows designations in a table format with rows and columns. That's what we're looking at now. The grid icon displays designations in a card-based layout, which can be more visual for smaller lists. Now let's look at the designation table. This shows all your job titles and their relationships. The first column has checkboxes. These let you select multiple designations at once for bulk actions. Maybe you need to delete several outdated roles or export specific positions. The name column displays the job title itself. For example, team lead, project manager, civil engineer, site supervisor, or administrative assistant. These are the designations you assign to employees when you add them to the system. The parent designation column shows the reporting hierarchy. This is incredibly powerful for creating organizational structure. For example, you might have team lead as a parent designation with junior developer, mid-level developer, and senior developer all reporting to it. Or you might have project manager as a parent with site supervisor, quality controller, and safety officer as child designations. This creates a clear chain of command. The action column on the far right gives you options for each designation. You can edit the name or parent relationship or delete designations that are no longer needed. At the bottom, you can control how many entries display per page, 10, 25, 50, or more. Understanding designations is crucial because they appear throughout Resourceby. When you add an employee, you select their designation. When you filter reports, you can group by designation. When you set up payroll, you might have different salary structures for different designations. When you assign shifts, you might schedule based on designation. In the next video, we'll learn how to add designations and set up your job title hierarchy. See you there.